You are going to love 2012 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, backup camera, CD changer. Come take a test drive today.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our 117-point inspection, 2 great GM warranties, free vehicle history report, and more, you can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries.